Hey guys, welcome back to the Snapper Chronicles. We're coming back at you with another couple of tools. This time I stopped in at Tractor Supply, and yeah, every once in a while I go there and see what they have. Sometimes they have some good deals, some good sales, and I might pick something up. And that's what kind of happened this time. I found these two different tools, and this one is the Stubby Ratchet handle, which is a ratchet with some kind of interesting features, a little bit gimmicky. And I found this wrench set. Wasn't looking for a wrench set, but this is a 12-piece wrench set, a metric combination, and ratchet wrench set. So there's some of them are ratchets. I think from here down they're ratcheting, and from here they're regular. And they come in sizes. Both sets are 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 millimeters. Yeah, this is about. And I guess also it has this organized storage case, which I think is this tray, is what they mean by the storage case. And these are about the same quality as you find on the maybe the lower end or the starting end of Pittsburgh Pro style ratchets. So it's in and around there. But the thing that sold me on these is the price. This was on clearance for $6. So yeah, I couldn't pass that up. I think it says originally was $20. So I picked up this little set, and here are the ratchets. They come in this sort of case. I guess they're trying to make a tray or something, or have this as a tray. No, I guess it could work for that. The only thing, it has this big cutout here at the top, so I'm not sure if you put stuff in there, they can just wind up there or something. If you wanted to pick this up and transport it with stuff inside of it. And I guess you can remove this blue holder here. It's screwed in on the back. You see has some screws there. These are made in China, so there you go. That's where they're made. And like I said, yeah, the quality isn't that bad. It's okay, like for a beginner set. It's it's pretty shiny. You know, the chrome looks okay. Looks pretty decent. Doesn't look too bad on it. And there's the box and the open wrench there. So yeah, I mean, I've seen worse quality made in USA ratchets in the past, so these don't look too bad. And I guess the most what sells this set the most would be the set of ratcheting wrenches here. And also they look okay, look pretty good. The chrome, so forth, whatever, has Jobsmart, and it's pretty deep. It's a good deep stamping there. On the other side, chrome vanadium in the thick font, the thick letter font, so you won't get confused, and you'll know what this is made of. It has the big letters there, chrome vanadium. So not bad. Doesn't feel. They feel pretty good. That's about it for that. And this ratchet. Oh, and by the way, if you find these videos at all helpful or entertaining, if you want to give me a like or subscribe to this channel, I would appreciate it. And this is the Stubby ratchet. And this was, I think, $6. And this is made in China. So this is kind of in by the door when you walk in. They have like a bin of little tools, stuff for not so much money, and they usually put stuff in there. And I usually go check that bin because sometimes I find stuff in there. So this is a 72 tooth ratchet. Quality very similar to again, Pittsburgh Pro, a Pittsburgh Pro ratchet from Harbor Freight. You know, the stuff that starts around 10, 15 bucks. This one is double, has two sizes, has the 1/4 inch and the 3/8 head. The gimmick here is that this kind of expands. It has like a plug there, which doesn't seem too like sturdy for something if you're going to use every day to be opening and closing. But it has a channel there for the plug, and I guess it goes from a smaller, what they call a stubby ratchet, which is about 6 inches. Let's see. Yeah, about 6 inches. And then when you expand, it goes up to like 7 3/4. So it's one of those, yeah, one of those. Like I said, the plug doesn't give me a lot of confidence that can, I don't know, if you use this a lot or you put a lot of heavy torque on it, I can see that slipping or coming off or breaking or something. But I don't know, seems like a handy little ratchet for medium stuff, you know. I like that it has the 2 heads on it, the 2 anvils, 2 different sizes that could come in handy, and the small size also come in handy. This I'll open it up, but it's just typical what you see in most, like I said, made in China, Harbor Freight. This has a little bit of Loctite on the bolts. This is a T10 and that's a T8. I don't know why they do that. They mix and match the sizes of the bolts, so you'd have to have a T8 also if you wanted to open this up. So oh, come on. I didn't screw it enough. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, this is the little T8 screw, and that also has a little drop of some sort of Loctite on it. And inside, see the plate, regular, typical Chinese plate. A little bit thin, but not that thin. And here's the anvil. The anvil is kind of wide, which is good. I like it when it's pretty wide like that. That means there's more coverage for the surface of the pawl, which is cool. And there's no quick release on this. It's just the two sides of the two anvils of different size. 72 teeth on that. And here we see, I'm not going to take it totally apart. You guys know what's up with this. The pawl is kind of wide, like I said, which is cool. That means there's more grip area. And the teeth here looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 teeth. Let me check again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, looks like 4 teeth per side, per pawl, per side. And you got the switch that switches the pawls, and we all know this design. This is an ancient design that's still kind of popular, especially with the made in China made in China style ratchets. Yeah. Oh, maybe I should put the anvil or the gear back in. Yeah, that'll work. And you put your plate on. You get your small screw on. And I should have used a screwdriver shaped holder for this T8 instead of this little wheel, because this wheel is kind of a little bit not stable when you're spinning a lot. And on this model, you're gonna have to not torque the screw for the switch too tight, because if you do, you won't be able to switch it well or comfortably. It's going to be tight, so you give it a little bit of room to be able to switch. And you get your, see how much better that is and quicker than that little wheel. I guess that little wheel is, this one here is good for tight spots, but this is much more quicker. Okay, so there you have it. Yeah, what can I say about this? $6. It's pretty cheap. It's it seems like it could be handy. The mechanism ain't too bad. The pawls seem okay. The gear, it's nice, wide head, wide gear. Has the two anvils, and it has the little expanding handle, which kind of makes it unique. I haven't seen one like this before. So I guess Tractor Supply is on the cutting edge of ratchets. Okay guys, that's all I got for now. Until next time.